This dance is called Walking Away. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver stroke novice level line dance with 2 restarts. So we're starting on our left foot into a rumba box that's going to end with a quarter turn on it. So we're going to step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward. Step the right to the side, left beside the right, quarter turn to the right as you step that right forward. Add on another rumba box, straight forward, no turns on this one. So we step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward, step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right back. So that set of steps once more, those rumba boxes off on the left. 7, 8, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back. Add on a coaster step, left foot leading, back close step. Step forward on the right, pivot quarter turn to the left, cross the right over the left. Into a vine to the left with a cross on the end. So we're going to step the left to the side, cross right behind, left to the side, cross right over the left. Make a big step to the side on the left, drag your right beside the left. Don't put any weight on that right at that point. So that last set of steps once more then, coaster step off on the left. 7, 8, coaster step, step, pivot cross, side behind, side cross, side drag. So add that to the top. Rubber boxes off on the left. 7, 8, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back. Coaster step, step, pivot cross, side behind, side cross, side drag. So we're now going to add on a rolling vine to the right. Now this is the equivalent of a full turn. If you want to take this out, your non-turning steps would just be a standard vine, side behind, side travelling to the right. If you're not comfortable with doing rolling vines, just stick to doing the normal vine at this point and add the rolling vine in later. So if you're turning, you're going to step quarter turn right as you step that right forward, half a turn right as you step back on the left, quarter turn right as you step the right to the side. On the and count, you're going to bring the feet together, make a further quarter turn right as you step that right forward. So it is effectively 1 1/4 turns to the right. So if you do wish to try and take that full turn out in that rolling vine, that will just get you back to being quarter of a turn. We're now going to walk forward 4 steps, making half a turn to the left. So we're going to step left, right, left, right. So quarter turn to the half a turn to the left as you're walking forward. That set of steps once more then, that rolling vine, or a normal vine if you wish to take it out. Off on the right, 7, 8, turn, turn, turn and turn, walk, 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 walk. Let's add that to the top. Rumba boxes off on the left. 7, 8, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back, coaster step, step, pivot cross, side behind, side cross, side drag, turn, turn, turn and turn, walk, 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 walk. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right. Add on a coaster step, back, close, step. We're going to repeat that with the right foot. So we're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, and right coaster step, back close step, finishes the dance. So that set of steps once more then, forward rock off on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step. Let's put it all together. Rubber boxes off on the left. 7, 8, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back, coaster step, step, pivot cross, side behind, side cross, side, drag, turn, turn, turn and turn, walk, 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 forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Rubber boxes off on the left. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Rubber boxes off on the left. 7, 8, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back, coaster step, step, pivot cross, side behind, side cross, side, drag, turn, turn, turn and turn, walk, 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 forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back, coaster step, step, pivot cross, side behind, side cross, side, drag, turn, turn, turn and turn, walk, 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 forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back, coaster step, step, pivot cross, side behind, side cross, side, drag, turn, turn, turn and turn, walk, 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 forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 restarts in this dance. They come at the same place, which is after 20 counts. So you will have just done your rolling vine and turn, and then you restart at that point. So it's 20 counts into the dance. They come on walls 3 and wall 7. So it's the first time you hit the back wall, that's your wall 3. You'll be facing 9 o'clock when you actually do the restart. Your second one is on wall 7, which is the front wall. So when you get back to the front wall, it's your next restart wall. So let's take you up to 20 counts, wall 7, and restart. Rubber boxes off on the left. 7, 8, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back, coaster step, step, pivot cross, side behind, side cross, side, drag, turn, turn, turn and turn, restart, side close step, side close turn, side close step, side close back. So that's your restart point. Hopefully you can see where that fits in. Walls 3 and 7. So that is your dance. It's your walkthrough. It's your restart information. Let's give it a go. Take that in music. Five, six, 7, 8. Side goes step, side goes turn, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, step in across, side behind side cross, side drop, turn, 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 walk, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, side goes step, side goes turn, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, step goes across, side behind side cross, side round, turn, walk, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, side goes step, side goes turn, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, step goes across, side behind side cross, side round, turn, restart, side goes turn, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, step across, side behind side cross, side drag, turn around, walk, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, side goes step, side goes turn, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, step across, side behind side cross, side drag, turn, walk, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, side goes step, side goes turn, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, step goes across, side behind side cross, side, turn, walk, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, forward rock, side rock, coaster step, runners.
Get lost this battle, live to fight another day. Don't be falling in love as she's walking away.
Rolling, restart, side goes step, side goes turn, coaster, roll, rocks,
You might fall down on your face, roll the dice and have some faith. And don't be falling in love as she's walking away. When your heart will tell your mind what it should say. May have lost this battle, live to fight